Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically like fix your phone when it's on like this green screen. So you are firstly going to do a hard reset. If you can't click on anything, volume up once, volume up down, and you're going to select the power button for as long as you can until it turns off. Now hopefully it does turn on. Then you're going to go to general here, and you're going to go to the transferred or reset iPhone, select reset, and select reset all settings. And you are basically going to then be able to see that your phone will reset and the green screen will not be there anymore. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.